Much and little. Mastering quantifiers in questions and negatives. Hello, learners. Today, we are going to focus on a very essential part of the English language. Using the quantifiers, much, and little, in questions and negative sentences. These may seem like simple words, but they are vital in crafting clear and grammatically correct sentences. So, without further ado, let's dive into it. Before we jump into examples, let's understand these two quantifiers. The word much is generally used with uncountable nouns to indicate a large quantity, while little is used to indicate a small quantity. For example, we can say, I don't have much time, or there's little milk left in the bottle. Now, let's see how they work in questions and negative sentences. In questions and negative sentences, much is often used with uncountable nouns. Let's check some examples. 1. Question. Do you have much experience in this field? 2. Negative sentence. I don't have much experience in that field. Here, experience is an uncountable noun and we're using much to ask about or indicate the quantity of it. Little, on the other hand, can be a bit trickier. It's typically used in negative sentences rather than questions. When little is used in a negative context, it expresses the smallness of quantity. For example, 1. Negative sentence. There's little chance of success. In questions, however, we generally use a little instead of little. For instance, 1. Question. Do you have a little time to spare? The use of a little instead of little in questions is a subtlety of English that's good to remember. Just like many rules in English, there are some exceptions. For instance, when we are emphasizing a statement, we might use little in questions. For example, 1. Question. Is there little hope left for us? This usage is more poetic and less common, but it's good to be aware of. And there you have it. By learning to use much and little properly in questions and negative sentences, you can enhance your English communication skills. Remember, practice is key. Try forming your own sentences using these quantifiers. I hope this video has been helpful. Happy learning, and see you in our next lesson.